Understanding, I see your point. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, I see your point. This phrase is often used in conversations and can be a bit confusing for English learners. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively in your daily conversations. I see your point is a phrase used to acknowledge that you understand someone else's opinion or argument. It doesn't necessarily mean you agree with them, but it shows that you are considering their perspective. This phrase is often used in discussions or debates to express understanding without fully committing to the other person's viewpoint. In agreement, you can use, I see your point, when you partially agree with someone but might have some reservations. It's a diplomatic way to show agreement without completely aligning with the other person's opinion. In disagreement, alternatively, I see your point can be used to soften disagreement. Before presenting your own opinion, acknowledging the other person's point can make the conversation more constructive and less confrontational. In neutral discussions, in a neutral setting, saying, I see your point, is a way to simply acknowledge that you have understood what the other person has said, which is crucial in any healthy dialogue. 1. In a meeting, I see your point about the budget constraints, but I believe we can still allocate funds for marketing. 2. In a casual conversation, I see your point about preferring movies over books, but I find reading more engaging. 3. In a debate, I see your point on this issue, however, my perspective is slightly different. These examples show how versatile and useful this phrase can be in various conversational contexts. It's important to understand the cultural nuances of using, I see your point. In some cultures, direct disagreement might be frowned upon, making this phrase particularly useful. However, in other cultures where directness is valued, using, I see your point, might imply that you are avoiding stating your true opinion. So, be mindful of these differences when conversing with people from various backgrounds. I see your point is a valuable phrase to add to your English language toolkit. It helps in showing understanding, facilitating smoother conversations, and maintaining a respectful dialogue, regardless of whether you agree or disagree with the other person. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using, I see your point, in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.